Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix the Trump accounts app not updating or getting stuck in the App Store. So if the update won't start and stays on waiting or gets stuck while downloading, just follow along. First, check your internet connection. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that fixes the issue. Next, open the App Store and pull down on the Updates page to refresh it. Then try updating the Trump's account app again. And if the update is still stuck, tap the app icon to pause the download, wait a few seconds, and then tap it again to resume the download. You should also make sure your iPhone has enough available storage. For that, you need to go to Settings, then tap on General and then tap on iPhone Storage to check your available space, and if the storage is low, delete unused apps or files before trying to install the app again. After that, try restarting your iPhone and then return to the App Store. You can also sign out of the Apple ID and then sign back in after opening Settings, tapping your name, scrolling down and selecting Sign Out. After signing back in, try downloading the update again. And finally, if the App Store itself is experiencing temporary server issues, you'll simply need to wait a while and then try again. So that was how to fix the Trump accounts app not updating or getting stuck in the App Store. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.